Hello friends, let's discuss today another important question from BEGP, that is roles of government in business. So I'm making these videos very short and crisp because I want you to go through these screens over and over again so that you can revise these chapters and score good marks in your exams. Most importantly, this question is for 15 marks. All the four headings must be discussed in detail in your 15-mark question. So let's start. So first role of government in business is regulatory role. So regulatory role means to implement acts, laws and taxes and subsidies. By doing this, the government can reduce monopoly, bring in regional growth, to encourage small and new enterprises, and to legalize or standardize the functioning of the private sector. So next is entrepreneurial role. Entrepreneurial role means the government getting into business. Let's say for example IRCTC. IRCTC is nothing but our railways, KSRTC, like our state governments, road transport, communication, MTNL, BSNL, we know it all. So electricity and power, MESCOM, BESCOM, we all pay them, right? All these are provided by the government. Companies like HP, Hindustan Petroleum, BHEL, SAIL, our own VISL, all these are companies owned either by the state government or the central government. So coming to the next role, that is promotional role. Promotional role means providing good facilities so that the business can improve. Let's say for example, good roads, airports, railways and SEZ, industrial areas, etc. By this, the business will improve within the state or prescribed area. So to improve this business, the government has to provide these facilities for the industrial sector or the business sectors. Coming to the last one, that is planning role. What are the plans made by the government? Like, let's say, for example, 5-year plans or planning commissions or sectoral development plans. Let's say, for example, industrial development plans or coming to textile development plans. So, these plans are implemented by the government to increase the productivity and improve the GDP of the economy. Second thing is to bring in the higher per capita income for each and every individual. So to generate employment, to reduce inequality among different sections. So to achieve laid objectives. Laid objectives means all these 5-year plans and plans, all the other plans will be having its own objectives. So once you get to know these headings properly, you should be able to write proper content into this answer. So once you are thorough with these headings, you will be able to write proper answers for these questions. Let's take up each and every role individually in other videos. Thank you.